Welcome to Vidyarn Global. Today we will into Bitcoin halving. What is Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving is a programmed event in the Bitcoin protocol that occurs approximately every 4 years, or every 210,000 blocks mined, reducing the block reward for miners by 50%. This reward is the amount of newly minted Bitcoin given to miners for successfully validating transactions and adding a new block to the blockchain. By halving the reward, the rate at which new Bitcoins enter circulation slows down, enhancing the cryptocurrency's scarcity and mimicking the deflationary nature of precious metals like gold. The most recent halving took place on April 20th, 2024, cutting the reward from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC per block. Why does Bitcoin halving happen? The halving mechanism was designed by Bitcoin's pseudonymous creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, to control inflation and ensure a predictable, finite supply of Bitcoin, capped at 21 million coins total. Unlike fiat currencies, which central banks can print indefinitely, Bitcoin's supply issuance is hard-coded into its protocol to gradually decrease over time. This creates scarcity, potentially driving up value as demand grows, while preventing rapid inflation that could erode purchasing power. Halvings address the economic concern of diminishing returns for miners, simulating how resource extraction becomes harder and less rewarding over time. Ultimately, this design promotes long-term sustainability. After all Bitcoins are mined, around 2040, miners will rely solely on transaction fees for incentives, ensuring the network's security without new coin issuance. How does Bitcoin halving work? Bitcoin operates on a proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism, where miners compete to solve complex cryptographic puzzles using specialized hardware, ASICs. The first to solve the puzzle adds a block to the blockchain, roughly every 10 minutes, and receives the block reward, which includes newly created Bitcoins, plus transaction fees from users. Trigger. Halving activates automatically after exactly 210,000 blocks, a milestone that takes about 4 years due to the network's difficulty adjustment, which keeps block time stable. Reward reduction. The reward starts at 50 BTC per block 2009 and halves each time, e.g. 50, 25, 12.5, 6.25, 3.1225. Protocol enforcement. This is embedded in Bitcoin's source code and requires near-unanimous consensus from network nodes to change, making it highly resistant to alteration. Supply impact. Pre-halving, new Bitcoins add 1.8% annual inflation at 625 BTC block in 2024. Post-2024 halving, this drops to 0.9%, continuing to decline with each event. The process continues until the reward becomes negligible, divided into satoshis, the smallest Bitcoin unit, 1 satoshi 0.00001 BTC, with the last Bitcoin expected around 140. There have been 4 halvings since Bitcoin's launch in 2009. Each has historically correlated with price increases in the months or years following, though not causally. Factors like market adoption, regulatory news, and macroeconomic trends play roles. Prices often dip in anticipation, but rally post-event due to reduced supply meeting steady or growing demand. Furthermore, halving block highlight. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.